Hello, welcome to Kelsey-Bear's Cozy Fares. I am Kelsey-Bear, and on this channel we drink a lot of tea if our cat's not trying to drink it, and we do a lot of sewing. Now, this video is going to be short but sweet because I am fixing a previous sewing mistake, and we're learning a very important lesson, which is that sometimes good things take time. Last winter, I decided I wanted to sew myself a beautiful holiday dress. I found this lovely green plaid cotton fabric. I got it on sale. It's in my favorite shade of green. I thought it would be so beautiful, a very classic, timeless dress that I could wear throughout the holiday season. But it was my first time sewing with plaid, and I made a pretty big mistake. The dress pattern I was using had a skirt that cuts out at an angle. And as you can probably see, right here, the seams don't line up very well. It's not a huge deal, but I didn't like it. I decided I need to get some more fabric, cut out a different skirt that just goes straight up and down, and that way I can get the plaid to line up so much better and be way less noticeable. But I ran into a huge problem, which is that this fabric was sold out everywhere. I checked every day. I went back to the store. It wasn't available in store or online. So I was left with no choice but to put away my dress pieces into the closet and just wait until it comes back. And finally, this past fall, it came back in stock. So I was able to get some pieces, and I'm cutting it differently this time, and I'm going to show you all how the dress is actually supposed to turn out. So let's get to it. So now I'm gonna go ahead, match it up with the top, which I sewed last year. The only thing I had to do was let out some of the darts a little bit. I filled out a bit. Let's just say I filled out a little bit. So you can kind of see if I bring it up close, but the darts had been let out just a tiny bit, but then I gave it a nice stitch at the overlocker, and yeah, we'll get these two things attached. Guess who just ran out of thread again? Awesome! I already live such a beautiful life, but doing a few extra things to make myself feel nice lately has just helped me so much with the transition into the dreary winters that we can have here in Midwestern America. So I just want to encourage you guys to I don't know, take that time to do little things. For me, sewing is a huge thing. I'm having so much fun today. It's just a wonderful day. And the thing is, there's nothing super special about it, but I don't know, I get so excited with the holiday season because it's just a big season of love for me. There's so many people in my life I love doing, like, getting little things. I love making people food, and I've been doing a lot of that lately. It's just been such a pleasurable holiday season. I'm a little stressed and overwhelmed about getting presents done on time, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm having a lot of fun in the process, so I don't know. Every video I find myself stopping to just talk and count my blessings, and gosh, I feel like I have so many blessings today, and I hope that you are able to take the time and count your blessings as well. I just think gratitude and joy shared is multiplied. But anyway, I'm desperate to get this dress done because I just want to wear something really festive and also handmade. Hi, Mabel. Say hi to the camera. Well, you've seen her tail. Mabel, say hi. Well, anyway, back to work.